Greetings, everyone. People will ask me, what are my Act CRM options? What are the prices? What can I expect with Act going forward? Well, Act is now offered as a subscription product. Every year, you pay a subscription. You get some things with that subscription. You get a mobile app. You get some Act marketing automation emails. Both tools I'm really a fan of. Having said that, let me get into a little bit about what I suggest when people ask me this question on the best way to move forward. When you think about Act, you can install Act software. Now, if you're a longtime Act user, you're used to the fact that you get software that you physically install on your computer. That is still an option. It's called Act Premium. There's a second option called Act Premium Cloud. And Act Premium Cloud is purely web-based software. In addition to that, you have a third option, which is a combination of both the Act desktop software and Act Premium Cloud. The data stays synchronized between your desktop installed software and what you have in the cloud. A lot of people use the cloud just as a server or way to keep their data between multiple computers. So that's an option as well. You can have a combination, which is really great, the best of both worlds. But what I suggest is this. If you are trying to determine the best way to move forward, I urge people to start with Act Premium Cloud. And the reason for that, it's the newest technology that Act offers. There's constant updates that are happening monthly. And frankly, it's just easy. So Act Premium Cloud is $360 a year. And I'm giving you all the pricing based on no discounts, based on updating or upgrading. I'm just quoting the standard pricing for this software. So you can always reach back to me to ask about options or discounts. Having stated that, there is nothing to install. It's very easy to implement. If you're an Act user today, all you have to do is make a backup of your database, start a free trial, upload it, and typically within an hour or less, your data will be live so you can go in and test it and see what it's like. Now, I have something that I call my 80-20 Act Premium Cloud rule. And what my experience has been is this. If you are open to trying something new, if you're thinking, hey, this is going to be a little bit different, but it's going to be a unique experience, then I think you'll do very well with the cloud. The cloud version of Act is 80% of what you are used to. The other 20% isn't necessarily bad or good. It's just unique to using Act in the cloud, in a web browser. The beauty is it's really easy to learn some of the differences, and I like it. I've been using it exclusively for the last 3 years, and I really like it. I personally think it is better than the desktop software. Okay. So if you do want the desktop software, Act Premium is $450 per year. $360 for the cloud, $450, a $90 difference. The thing about Act Premium is it's physically installed software, so you have to take the time to install the software. If you're good with software, you can typically do that yourself. I offer some instructional videos on how to do that. But every computer you have Act on, you have to physically install it. And you come into issues related to the configuration of your computer. The beauty of the cloud is you don't have to do anything. You just go to a web page, log in, and you're ready to go. Okay, so Act Premium is $450, but you have an option. You also have an option called synchronization. It's a sync combo where you get the best of both worlds. You have Act in the cloud. You can access it via a web browser. And also you have Act physically installed on your desktop. Its data stays synchronized between the two. So again, my recommendation is start with the cloud at $360. If you're not satisfied, you can upgrade to the desktop. But really, for a $30 difference, $480 versus $450, you can have both. So the whole goal here is to have a great experience in your first year as a subscriber. Learn the differences, learn what works for you, and work with the software that suits your needs. Act Premium Cloud is the least expensive. The combination is a little more than just the desktop, and that's generally what I recommend. So I'm more than happy to answer any questions you might have related to Act software. You can reach out to me. My name is Tony Holowitz, and I thank you so very much for being here. And give me a call if you have questions. Okay, my friends, be well. Bye now.